Some English idioms don't just sound good, they push you forward in life. Today's 5 idioms can change your life forever. Hello everyone, I am Pragna Patel and welcome back to your favorite channel Easy Speak English. આજે આપણે શીખીશું 5 ઇન્સ્પિરેશનલ ઇડિયમ્સ જે તમને ઇંગ્લિશમાં કોન્ફિડન્ટ બનાવશે અને લાઈફમાં સ્ટ્રોંગ બનાવશે. Let's start. Idiom number 1. Rome wasn't built in a day. Great things take time. મોટી સફળતા એક દિવસમાં ના મળે. Let's see an example. Don't rush your success. Rome wasn't built in a day. ધીરજ રાખશો તો રિઝલ્ટ ડેફિનેટલી મળશે. Use this idiom. Someone feel impatience. Idiom number 2. Push yourself. Force yourself to do better. પોતાને આગળ ધપાવવું. Let's see an example. Success starts when you push yourself. કમ્ફર્ટ ઝોનમાંથી બહાર આવશો તો ગ્રોથ થશે. Use this idiom in motivational talk or self reminder. Idiom number 3. No pain, no gain. Without effort, there is no success. મહેનત વિના સફળતા ના મળે. Let's understand with example. Hard work is difficult, but no pain, no gain. આરામથી કંઈ જ મળતું નથી. Use this idiom for exams, fitness and goals. Next one. Stand on your own feet. Be independent. પોતાના પગ પર ઊભા રહેવું. Let's see an example. She worked hard to stand her own feet. Independent હોવું એ જ સાચી શક્તિ છે. Use this idiom when talking about career and self-respect. Now last and 5th. Chase your dreams. Follow your dreams with action. તમારા સપનાઓ પાછળ દોડો. Let's see an example. Don't be afraid. Choose your dreams. સપના જોવા ઇનફ નથી, એક્શન લેવી પડે. Use this idiom in speeches and inspirational reels. So guys, you don't need perfect English. You just need powerful words and strong belief. English શીખવું only language નહીં. It's about confidence, courage and clarity. Use this idiom daily. Your English and mindset both will grow. Write in comment which idiom inspired you today. Thank you so much for your time. Follow for English motivation videos. Take care and goodbye.